Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. It's been a while since I last did a video. It's probably been, I think, like 7 months, but I hope everybody is doing well, hanging in there in this crazy time. But I thought I'd shoot on here and show you guys a small little haul that I did, and I'm finally crafting. Those of you guys, some of you guys know that I moved during quarantine, so it's been crazy. So I finally have my craft room somewhat, well, majority of it unpacked. I just got to do a few little things here and there. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Instead of rambling, I wanted to show you a few little things. Daiso, I went to Daiso this past week during my lunch break and picked up a few things. I saw this, and they had different animals and a different color of this panda, but it is a reusable bag. I guess Daiso, the prices are going a little bit up, but if you notice, for those of you who go to Daiso, there's like a little price legend, I guess you can call it, that's hung over some items. So this one was, I guess it says 300 here, and then when you look on the paper that's hung, it says it's $4. So this was $4. I thought this was really cute. It has this little clip here that you can clip onto things. And they also had one in a gray. So pick this up. This was $3 or $4. And then I found some Hello Kitty items. I found these. I haven't seen these before, and there's 25 in here. And they're a zip top bag. So I'll show you what that looks like. Super cute. And then I found a little twin star one as well. And there was 15 in a bag. I don't believe I have this one. I may, but I can always share it. And that's what it looks like. So there's that one. It looks like this. It's clear. And then it has, sorry for the glare. Can you see that? So yeah. So I got that bag. And then I also found these little mug covers. These are new. I haven't seen them before. And I guess it clips onto your coffee cup. And they also had a different color. I think this was the same. And then it was gray, I believe. So that's what I picked up from Daiso. And then the next thing I picked up is from Walmart. I found these super cute. I really don't go in their jewelry section very often, or not the jewelry section, but it's the kids craft section at my Walmart. And I picked up these. These are metallic alpha beads. And there are 300 in this pack. And they're just round alphas with their white and silver from that. And then they had these, and they also had them in purple. And these are super cute. I love the color. They have like, besides the alphas, they have the heart. And then if you can see right there, it's a little smiley face. And then I picked these up a few months ago, but I never showed it. I think I showed it on my Instagram, I believe, but I thought I would show it to you guys anyways. It's these beads, and the container is shaped in different shapes. So this is just this one. They had a few different ones, but I just picked up 2, and these are beads. So cute. Love the color. And then I also picked up this. And they also, I believe the other one that I saw was a unicorn. It was shaped as a unicorn with beads in it and some other thing, but I forgot. But then turn it over, these beads are the exact same beads as these ones, but the size is different, you see? But I love the color, super cute. And then it has beads, and then the small little alpha round colorful beads. So again, that is from Walmart. And then, so I saw, who did I see do this? I saw Natalie, who's put some bling on it. And then I believe somebody comment down below. I think her name is Tasha. She has a YouTube channel, but I'm not sure. But I will put the description below of her tutorial she did on this. So I picked up these from Hobby Lobby. These are the Silly Winks foam sheets. And I got it in white, the white with the glitter, the blue with the glitter, and the pink. So I picked up these, and I got the big one. They're 12 inches by 18 inches. And I made these super cute lollipops. I see Natalie do it, and I thought, oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I'm going to show you the ones that I did using the white foam and the glitter foam. These two foams here. I used these white ones. And I also used, let me see, this Glitterific to put on top of it just to give it some more sparkle. And this color is, if anybody knows this color, comment down below because I'm not sure, but it's this one. But I made these. Look at how cute they are. And I just, one side is just blank, and then the other side I just put the Glitterific on top. So what I did was, I did different sizes. Let's see, look at how cute. Isn't that super cute? So what I did was I didn't have those lollipop sticks, but I do have a lot of these, and I know you guys have these too, but they're the straws. So I used some of the straws and I just cut them down a size, and look at how cute. And then I already have these bows in my stash. Super cute, but let me just show you the different sizes. They're a 1/2 inch size different. See, as you can see, this one's more fatter, this one's more thinner. But look at how cute those are. So I made those, and then using the other two, these colors here, I made these ones using the same Glitterific on top. Oh, here goes another one. I forgot to show you. So this is the pink and the blue, and then this is the blue and the white. Here's a little smaller one. And again, I will put the links down below. I'll put the link to Natalie's and Tasha's, I think it's Tasha's Crafty Corner. But I'll put a link down below. So look at how cute these are. And then as you can see, the glitter foam that I used it on the top so that it had the glitter on the sides. So these are the foam here, see? Super cute. So this was a really easy and quick thing to do. Super easy, super fun. And these are cute embellishments to put in gifts that you want to give to your friends or whatnot, your crafty friends. So that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by for this quick video. I do have some more things to share with you, but I'll do that in another video. I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.